Hello everyone. This video is in continuation in my series of paper quilling techniques. So we'll do the beehive technique here, which is very simple. Just require this strip of paper and your slotted tool. This beehive technique is very useful for a, let's say, a filling. Let's say if we have this kind of a circle and we need to fill this area. This beehive is like a series of those coils, tiny coils. I'll show you how. Let's begin. So let's begin by coiling here. We'll coil and we'll rotate our tool for about, let's say, 4 to 5 times, not much. So almost this much, or maybe a little more, and pull it out. After about an inch, insert the paper again, and this time coil towards the opposite side, like that. Keep this straight. Pull it out and keep repeating it at about an inch along the strip, bringing it towards the other coils. It a little loose, open it up, or if you want to tie it with that B, and that is ready. You just need to fit it into your circle here, or whatever design you're making. That's your beehive technique.